A new era has arrived at HealthSmart. Our mission is to bring innovation to the forefront without leaving style behind. Our latest line of digital blood pressure monitors reflects the HealthSmart vision of health and wellness. All of our arm and wrist models feature 2-person memory storage, automatic average of your last 3 readings, irregular heartbeat detection, and a visual blood pressure guide, which compares your measurements to internationally established standards for home blood pressure use. These features will help you manage your blood pressure more accurately so you can take the next step towards a healthier lifestyle. Our state-of-the-art blood pressure line reflects HealthSmart's drive to distinguish ourselves in our industry. With 5 different wrist and arm monitors to choose from, ranging from good to better to best, and our bright purple packaging, we've made it easy for everyone to find a HealthSmart product perfect for them. HealthSmart has developed a one-of-a-kind feature for our premium wrist monitor called HeartSpot technology. After you secure the cuff around your wrist, press the power button to activate the HeartSpot technology. Place your elbow on a flat surface with your palm facing upward. Raise your forearm until the unit indicates that it's at heart level. The unit will automatically inflate. When the test is complete, the audio reading tells you your results. With HeartSpot technology, you'll always know when your arm is at heart level, ensuring pinpoint accuracy when taking your blood pressure. The sleek premium arm monitor includes 1 standard and 1 large adult cuff for greater versatility, as well as an AC adapter. To use, slide your arm into the cuff and wrap securely. Place your elbow on a flat surface with your palm facing upward and press the power button to inflate the cuff. When the test is complete, your results will also be read aloud. The monitor displays your systolic and diastolic pressure and pulse rate on the easy-to-read, high-contrast LCD screen. Now that you're smarter about your health, it's time to get out and enjoy your life. HealthSmart. Feel good.